Unboxing time. Huge yellow box. Excited to dig in. This is Reoon Lead Scraper for YellowPages on AppSumo. Simple desktop scraper. Clean GUI. One-click extraction workflow. Packed features. Keyword and location scraping modes. Direct URL. First impressions. Compact Windows app. Intuitive controls. Fast load. I tested it on restaurant lead lists in New York. Image shows CRM-ready Excel with columns already neatly organized. Export included names, addresses, phone numbers, emails, websites. That format makes immediate import into CRM effortless and fast. Setup was straightforward. Paste keywords, choose city, hit start. Progress shows real-time rows crawled, helpful for large batches. Pause and resume worked flawlessly during my long crawl. Scraper found restaurants quickly, pulled phone numbers and emails reliably. Verification checks reduced bad contacts. A real time saver. Proxy and anti-block support kept scraping smooth and stable. Batch CSV and one-click XLSX exports handled thousands of leads. You can import bulk, TXT or CSV seed lists too. Selective extraction lets you pull only names, phones, or emails. Domain and email filters shut out irrelevant or duplicate entries. Real examples. I grabbed New York restaurant contacts in minutes. Export opened instantly as clean columns, ready for outreach. It includes Yelp profile URLs and review counts for context. GUI remains lightweight, no bloated menus or confusing options. Dynamic crawling adapts speed and depth during intense sessions. I ran multiple city batches without hitting rate limits. Setup includes proxy settings and simple anti-block toggles. Handy real-time progress bar shows estimated remaining time. I liked domain inclusion controls for narrowing targeted lists. One-click verification trimmed bad emails and disconnected numbers. Exported CSV imported into my CRM without column mapping headaches. Perfect for local marketing, agencies, sales teams, and resellers. Also great for building segmented restaurant campaigns quickly and accurately. This version felt stable, fast, and surprisingly lightweight overall. A few small UX tweaks could smooth advanced workflow. I'd like clearer batch naming and scheduled export options, but core scraping, filters, and exports are on point. Value. AppSumo Deal makes this scraper an excellent bargain, especially for agencies needing fast, CRM-ready leads without fuss. Performance. Handled thousands of rows with low CPU footprint customer types. Marketers, local sales reps, lead gen firms, resellers. Use cases. Cold outreach, hyperlocal campaigns, list building, prospecting. Pro tip. Filter by domain to avoid big chains and duplicates. Another tip. Pace proxy rotation to reduce temporary blocks. I recommend starting small. Verify, then scale to bulk runs. Safety note. Respect privacy rules and platform terms. While scraping. If you need quick restaurant lead lists, this is ideal. The Excel output is presentation ready for immediate client delivery. I loved how Yelp URLs and ratings boosted lead quality insights. Support seemed responsive during setup and troubleshooting in my testing. Minor gripe. Windows only. GUI limits Mac users without virtualization. Also, add scheduled crawls and auto-segmentation for perfect automation. Final verdict. Powerful, easy to use, and excellent AppSumo value overall. Recommendation: buy the AppSumo Deal if you need local leads. Quick recap: clean exports, proxy support, filters, fast crawling. Where to get it? Check AppSumo for the best current price. Hands-on summary, fast harvest, CRM-ready lists, great for outreach. Don't wait. Grab the deal and start targeted campaigns today. Thanks for watching. Hit follow for more honest tool reviews.